Pro Ticket to Growth, Conquer Niche Targeting in Tech and Beyond, Phil Bacon. Introduction, the value of niche targeting. In the intricate arena of technology, engineering and manufacturing, the allure of niche targeting has taken centre stage. Concentrating on a meticulously defined segment of the market, businesses have the potential to offer bespoke solutions and convey messages that reverberate with their selected audience. This fosters greater engagement and yields enhanced business results. Niche marketing, for example, empowers tech companies to craft products and services for a precise subset of the market, thereby heightening customer satisfaction and loyalty. Equally, for manufacturing firms, niche marketing can lead to an optimized production process tailored to meet the specific demands of their audience, resulting in improved efficiency and profitability. The principle of defining your niche is intrinsic to this approach. Recognizing and understanding a distinct market segment allows companies to attune their offerings with the unique needs and preferences of that group. This synchronization cultivates a profound connection with customers, who perceive the offerings as specifically designed for them. The capacity to define and target a niche, whether it be in engineering or another sector, is a fundamental element in securing a competitive edge and sustaining growth. Decoding niche targeting, what it means for tech, engineering and manufacturing. In these sectors, niche targeting necessitates a profound comprehension of their markets and the distinctive needs of their clientele. It calls for exhaustive market research, perceptive customer insights, and the flexibility to adjust offerings to meet the particular requirements of these niche audiences. For technology firms, niche marketing could encompass the creation of specialist software for a certain industry or the development of hardware to tackle a specific issue within a market segment. Such customized offerings not only address the exact needs of the customers but also decrease competition by focusing on a narrower market. In a similar vein, niche marketing for manufacturing companies may involve fabricating specialist equipment or materials for a particular industry or application. By focusing on a specific niche, these companies can attain greater efficiency in production, distribution and marketing as their efforts are concentrated on a clearly defined target audience. For engineering companies, this could denote providing specialist engineering services for a particular sector, such as renewable energy or medical devices. By aligning their expertise with the unique needs of these markets, engineering firms can generate added value for their clients and distinguish themselves from competitors. The power of niche marketing channels. Niche marketing channels present a more focused avenue for reaching specific audiences within the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors. By utilizing these platforms, businesses can engage with their customers on a more intimate level, delivering tailored messages that resonate and drive action. Niche marketing for technology firms, for instance, might involve using specialist online forums, industry-specific social media groups, or targeted advertising on platforms frequented by tech enthusiasts. These channels enable technology companies to reach their target audience with content and messages that are highly pertinent to their interests and needs. Conversely, niche marketing for manufacturing companies could entail leveraging trade shows, industry publications, and B2B platforms that specifically cater to the manufacturing sector. By focusing their marketing efforts on these channels, manufacturing companies can connect with potential customers, suppliers, and partners who hold a particular interest in manufacturing solutions. Niche marketing for engineering firms could include professional networks, engineering conferences, and specialist online platforms catering to the engineering community. By utilizing these niche channels, engineering firms can engage with their target audience in a more meaningful and effective manner, fostering relationships and driving business growth. Niche targeting in practice. Key steps for success. The implementation of a niche targeting strategy encompasses several key steps, from identifying the niche market and understanding its unique needs to create bespoke solutions and communication strategies. These steps form a roadmap to guide businesses in their niche targeting journey. The initial step, defining your niche, is of utmost importance. This involves pinpointing a specific market segment that aligns with the company's strengths and offers potential for growth. For technology companies, this could mean zeroing in on a particular area of technology such as cybersecurity or artificial intelligence. Upon defining the niche, the subsequent step involves understanding the unique needs and preferences of that market. This may require extensive market research, customer interviews, and competitive analysis. For manufacturing companies, understanding the market could involve analysing industry trends, regulatory requirements, and specific customer pain points. The insights gleaned from this research inform the development of customised solutions and communication strategies that resonate with the target audience. Case studies. Winning niche targeting strategies in tech, engineering, and manufacturing. In the vast landscape of modern business, where technology, engineering, and manufacturing sectors are densely populated with competitors, niche targeting is not merely a tactic, but a vital strategy. Real-world examples of successful niche targeting strategies in these sectors provide invaluable insights. For example, the aforementioned companies like Bitdefender, Arup, and Shimano. Their precise targeting of unmet needs has led to substantial growth and industry admiration. These case studies not only showcase the power of niche targeting in driving business growth, but also offer practical lessons, rich in application and innovation, that can guide other businesses in their niche targeting journey. From focusing on unique aspects of cybersecurity to embracing the sustainable ethos in engineering, these examples epitomize the art of recognizing opportunity in niches that others may overlook. The lessons learned from these organizations reflect a mosaic of ambition, innovation, and a profound understanding of consumer demand. Their tales of success serve as beacons, illuminating a path for others to follow in the tech, engineering, and manufacturing landscapes. Tech company Bitdefender. Bitdefender, a cybersecurity company, showcased effective niche targeting by homing in on the growing demand for IoT, Internet of Things, security. Recognizing a gap in the market for robust solutions to safeguard smart devices, Bitdefender developed Bitdefender Box, a product devised specifically to provide enhanced protection for IoT devices. Their niche focus and understanding of distinct customer needs enabled them to secure a significant market share in this specialist area. Engineering firm Arup. Arup, a multinational professional services firm, has carved out a niche in sustainable engineering. With a deep understanding of the pressing demand for environmentally friendly infrastructure, they've fashioned their services to meet this need. By offering consultancy and engineering services explicitly tailored to developing sustainable and resilient infrastructure, Arup has solidified its position as a global leader in this niche market. Manufacturing company Shimano. Shimano, a Japanese manufacturer of cycling and fishing equipment, is another illustration of potent niche targeting. Noticing the growing enthusiasm for cycling and fishing worldwide, Shimano created highly specialized and innovative products to cater to these markets. Their niche focus and commitment to quality have established them as a trusted name in the cycling and fishing communities globally.
Challenges in niche targeting and how to overcome them.
The journey of niche targeting is far from a smooth sail. It's laden with challenges that require acute foresight and strategic thinking. Despite its evident advantages, niche targeting presents its set of obstacles, which may vary from industry to industry, from the initial identification of the right niche to the intricacies of product or service customization. The road to success is filled with hurdles. A critical evaluation of these challenges is essential, for in them lies the formula for unlocking the full potential of niche targeting. How then does a business rise above these challenges? The key lies in not merely anticipating these potential hurdles, but in crafting nuanced strategies that evolve with the landscape. By leveraging sector-specific expertise, harnessing the power of data analytics, and aligning with customer values, businesses in the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors can position themselves to excel. The metamorphosis of challenges into opportunities is the mark of true mastery in niche targeting. The future of niche targeting in tech, engineering, and manufacturing. In an ever-fluctuating world, where trends change with the wind and markets are in a constant state of evolution, the future of niche targeting in tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors is anything but stagnant. As these sectors continue to grow, mature, and intertwine with one another, so too will the approach to niche targeting. Keeping an eye on the horizon, understanding emerging technologies, and being nimble enough to adapt to shifting market dynamics will be instrumental for businesses to maintain their competitive edge. Adaptation, innovation, and foresight will mark the successful players in the future landscape of niche targeting. The key is to be ever watchful, ever ready, and ever innovative. Whether it's the adoption of new technologies or a shift in consumer behaviour, Being ready to pivot and adapt strategies will define success in niche targeting. The future beckons with opportunity, but only for those astute enough to perceive and brave enough to seize it. How technology can assist in niche targeting. In the age of digital transformation, where every decision, every strategy is augmented by the power of technology, the role it plays in niche targeting is profound. Advanced data analytics, artificial intelligence, and marketing automation tools have transcended the boundaries of mere assistance to become the very essence of niche targeting. They provide not just a glimpse, but an in-depth understanding of niche markets, enabling the tailoring of offerings and communication strategies with a precision hitherto unseen. Technology, in this context, is not merely a tool but an enabler, a visionary companion that offers foresight, insights, and actionable intelligence. From customer segmentation to predictive analytics, the integration of these tools can streamline processes, enhance targeting accuracy, and lead to more meaningful engagement with the target audience. It's a new dawn in niche targeting, and technology is at the helm, guiding, enhancing, and transforming the way businesses approach and conquer their chosen niches. Measuring success in niche targeting. The mantra, "What gets measured gets managed," rings especially true in the realm of niche targeting. Like all marketing strategies, the success of niche targeting must not remain in the abstract, but should be quantifiable. Establishing clear, measurable goals is not a mere task, it's a mandate. Monitoring and analysing performance metrics regularly ensures that efforts are not just cast into the wind, but are yielding the desired results, sculpting success in the chosen niche. This measurement transcends mere numbers. It's an exploration of quality, engagement, and alignment with overarching business goals. By employing the right tools and aligning metrics with organisational objectives, companies can not only gauge the effectiveness of their strategies, but also adjust and refine them. This process of continuous evaluation and recalibration ensures that niche targeting efforts remain aligned with the dynamic marketplace, always ready to embrace change and drive success. Conclusion: niche targeting, your secret weapon in the competitive marketplace. In the cacophony of the competitive marketplace, where differentiation becomes increasingly challenging, niche targeting emerges as more than a strategy. It's a potent weapon. For businesses in the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors, it's a clarion call to innovation, an invitation to stand out and rise above the fray. By understanding the profound value of niche targeting and mastering its intricate application, these businesses can dramatically enhance their market relevance, customer engagement, and overall growth. The mastery of niche targeting is a blend of art and science, innovation and execution, of vision and precision. It's an ongoing journey filled with discovery, adaptation, and continuous improvement. In the dynamic world of tech, engineering, and manufacturing, niche targeting is not a mere option. It's a necessity, a golden ticket to thriving in a competitive landscape. Those who wield this weapon with skill, insight, and foresight will not merely survive, but thrive, leaving a mark that resonates in the annals of their respective industries.